Hi there, my name is Liz, aka Pezliz, and I am so excited that Polymaker has released a whole bunch of new matte colors. So we're going to take a look at four of these colors right now. If you're not aware, I stream live on twitch.tv/Pezliz, and we're currently doing our Sunday stream. On Sundays, we share, and I'm going to share some of these new beautiful Panchroma matte colors with you. So first up, we have something that's perfect for this particular week if you're watching as with a fresh new video, and that is matte emerald green. We do have some dark greens in the Starlight collection. There is a Galaxy dark green, and in the Panchroma regular collection, there are a couple different greens, but nothing quite as lovely as this. So let's take a look at this beautiful emerald green. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day. I'm really excited to print with this one. And of course, with the matte filaments, we're going to see fewer layer lines, and it gives you that beautiful, beautiful matte finish that people are looking for. I can see this being used right away for St. Patrick's Day. So excited for this filament. We have another green. Let's grab the next green, and that is Seafoam green. And this one I'm really curious to see. Again, the beautiful packaging from Polymaker, where you've got the labeled box. So if you decide to store it like that, you've got your box really, really nice and labeled. And of course, the beautiful resealable bags. So what you do is you just pull on one side, pull on another, let some air release, and open that zipper. Not that zipper. And this actually looks quite similar to the Celestial green, but of course it's in a matte finish. These bags can be reused, recycled, all these things. So the Seafoam green is truly a seafoam green. Very, very pretty. Nice pastel color for Easter, and also another great St. Patrick's Day color. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that. All right, and next up we have another sort of green color, and that is muted teal. Now, the Polymaker muted matte colors are absolutely gorgeous. They give you that really elegant look to your prints. I find that the matte muted colors are really great for home decor, but they're also really nice for busts. I've done quite a few of the Star Wars busts by Wexter in the muted colors, and I really love the way that that they show off the model. And of course, with the matte colors, it's also really fun to finish them, whether you do rub and buff, even if you want to do a little bit of sanding and things. So let's open up this one again. These bags are reusable. You just flatten it out. You can also put your filament right back in there. Oh my goodness. Muted teal. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. So the first three colors for the matte collection brand new colors are the Seafoam, the Emerald, and the Muted Teal. Absolutely gorgeous. Love all these. And they're all sort of in the same, actually same but different color family. So we love these. But the next color, if you see what I'm wearing, if you see my makeup, all of those things, you'll understand why this color really, really excites me. And that is the matte raspberry blue. This is a true periwinkle to me. And if you know me, you know this is my absolute favorite color. So much that I actually got two of these because I knew I would love it so much. So let's get this one out of the bag. But the cat's already out of the bag because I've been printing with it already today. I'm so excited. I had to find a quick 1 hour print. And for my quick 1 hour print, I realized, oh, it's almost Easter and you have your own model for Easter. So for Easter and spring, in the matte raspberry blue, we have my tulip. So my tulip is available on Maker World. I'll make sure that I share links. But does that not look absolutely gorgeous in that raspberry blue? As you can see, one of my absolute favorite colors. This is purplish. Purplish in chat. This is purplish. So if we compare it with the Starlight Pulsar, they are in the same family. If we put it beside something very blue, let's do this. This is the, oh, this is Starlight Pulsar. Let's find something really blue. This is the Gradient Sky. As you can see, it's more on the purpley blue side of things. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a look at this spool as well. Again, the beautiful Panchroma spool and a close-up look at this gorgeous matte blue raspberry. So we've got matte raspberry blue. We've got filament falling on the floor. Typical of me. We've got the matte emerald green, the matte raspberry blue, the matte muted teal, and on the floor, I'll grab it in just 1 second here, we have the Seafoam green. So we've got a lovely Seafoam, a lovely muted, as you can see, the muted teal, the raspberry blue, and the emerald green. Now let's take a quick look at the Polymaker website, because of course they have a lot more colors in their new matte collection. So we're going to visit Polymaker and see what other colors there are. And then of course you can help me decide what colors I'm going to grab next. So in the brand new matte collection, we have some things that are sold out already. Holy hat. So we have the Sunshine Yellow. We have a Grass Green. You just saw the Seafoam. The Seafoam here. You just saw that. We just saw the Raspberry Blue. We also have a Wine Burgundy. The beautiful Emerald Green, which is right here. We have Muted Moss, the Muted Teal, we have Muted Mauve. If you are like me, you say mauve. We have the Muted Terracotta, a Pastel Coral, and a Matte Pastel Beige. So out of those new colors, let me know which other ones you'd like me to try out. I will definitely start printing with these. As you can see, I've started printing with it right away. And a close-up look, as you can see with this model, really, really nice, smooth, matte finish there. So the brand new Panchroma matte colors are here. Grab them. And of course, if they seem to be out of stock, make sure you notify yourself when they go back into stock and get your hands on them now. This has been Imprinting Color. Again, streaming live on twitch.tv/pezliz. And we're going to be doing a Polymaker filament giveaway as well. So make sure you join us when we're live. But also, all the information is in the description below for everything that you might need for Polymaker. Thank you so much and happy printing.